Now, I want to show you as well a little bit more sophisticated way to do this with this company called Mattermark. Now, Mattermark is expensive. It is, I believe, $6,000 a year, but there is a free trial. So you can go ahead and try this if you feel like that might be a potential investment, or just to do this initial pull. And what's amazing about Mattermark is you can just do that initial company scrape. So I'm going to go ahead in here and I'm going to go to just the discover companies. And what I'm going to do is basically do a search by different facets. And so let's say, and this is great really for B2B, let's say that I'm selling to B2B companies that are software as a service in the retail industry. I'm going to apply those filters. It looks like there's 1,800 companies right now that I've just gotten a bunch of information for across my exact targeting criteria. And what I can do is I can save this, or I can export it. Now, I like exporting it to a CSV because, again, you're going to want to be sharing this with somebody else. But now what you can do is you have all this rich data where you have the company name, the website, description, whether they've raised money. And really you just want to kind of narrow this down to the stuff that's important to you. And you can see just there's a lot of information. And so for us, maybe the stuff that I care about is company name, the website, industry might be interesting if I want to do segmentation. Employee count, that'll kind of tell me how big the opportunity is. And let's see what else. Maybe that's it. Maybe that's all I want. And so I'm just going to delete everything else so that I have this nice list here. There's a lot of data, as you can see. Oops. And now I have this awesome list, and we'll just take this right here just to kind of show you a complete example. Now I have this awesome way to basically build out this first part of my list. Let's just pretend I was doing it here. I can copy and paste that. Now I have all these companies and websites where I can go ahead then build a second part of the process to actually get these people's, the decision maker, the title, the email address, and that other information which I'll use for my campaign. So Mattermark is pretty sweet, as you can see. And again, there's a free trial at mattermark.com.